Hi, this is Melanie from Hook to the Left, and today I'm going to show you a donation, another donation, this time from Cathy. You guys know her better as Cathy Ann, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today as I show to you the donation to my Mother's Foundation from Cathy Ann. Just to give you a little background on what my Mother's Foundation is, in case you don't know, I got a little information in the description box down below, but she brings in young women who are pregnant that are in troubled homes or just they need some place to stay. For any number of reasons. They need some place to stay. And she brings them in while they're pregnant and helps them out while they're there. Now these girls are coming in with next to nothing to their names. And what I did towards the end of last year, the latter part of last year, is put a call out to crocheters to donate a little bit of yarn and a little bit of time. So things to the coming babies as well as the expectant mothers. And I've got a few ideas of some stuff down in the description box down below. But when I show off these these boxes and do the thank yous, it is because people are sending in this amazing stuff that you've taken the time to create, and it's just all beautiful. And I really just can't wait to dig into what Cathy Ann sent. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'm popping this open for the first time. She's got tissue paper on top of it. So I can already tell I'm gonna love everything. So, oh my gosh! Oh, Cathy, you're so amazing! So she has donated some items, as well as like some items, as well as created some items. Oh my gosh, Cathy Ann, you were so amazing. All right, first let's show what she made. Oh, and this is so soft. So squishy and soft. But look at this little beanie. Isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh. All these little beanies, they are so precious and adorable. I love them. How beautiful are those? And they'd be so warm on little heads. On little heads. Oh my gosh. This feels amazing. Look at these. These are so cute. So many little hats, and they're so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, so cute. Oh, and a little like a little bonnet with a little thing on top. Oh, it's so adorable. Oh my gosh. Another little bonnet. So cute. Cathy Ann, you're amazing. So this is another little bonnet. She gave lots of little hats and then little outfits. Look at those. Oh, these little hats and bonnets are so adorable. And you know what? For around here, they need this so much because we do have some pretty cold winters here. So look at that. They are so cute. And then a little bit bigger. So even she's got the different sizes. So like you see this one's for a little bit younger, and that's a little bit bigger. Oh my gosh. So cute. Now I've got to show the rest of this donation. Now this isn't crocheted items. But I'm sorry, baby stuff is so cute. And thank you so much for this. Oh my god, look at this little squirrel. And it's a little onesie with a little squirrel. Oh my gosh, you are so awesome. So awesome. Oh, another little onesie. And it says, I love mommy. So cute. And oh my gosh, chomp. But look, it's like a little t-shirt on top of, that's the bottom. which is like a little crab. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That is so cute. And then a pair of little shorts to go with it. Oh my gosh, how cute. This truly surprised me, and I mean, it's so adorable. Oh, these they look kind of like little PJs. Look at the little footsies. Oh my gosh. Oh, how cute. I know, you guys, these aren't crocheted items, but oh my gosh, these are so adorable, and just the thought and everything that went into this. I'm so appreciative, little jeggings with a little ruffled butt. Oh, so cute. And the little PJs with a little bear on the booty. So cute. And a pack of onesies. Welcome to the world. A little pack of blue and white onesies. You know, it's funny. I feel like it's my baby shower looking through these, although I don't have a baby. I'm not going to have a baby anytime soon. But, you know, I know that these girls are going to be so appreciative of these items for the little ones. And this is two little, baby leggings, little pants, and they match this little set here. And then, oh my gosh, how cute. It looks like a two set of onesies. Yep. So it has little puppy dogs on it. That one, and then this one is little stripes, little blue stripes. And they go with these little pants too. And then a yellow little bear on the booty and a little bear on the feet. Oh my gosh, how cute. Cute. Oh my gosh. My childbearing days are over. Otherwise, I'd be so tempted. But those days are gone. And then some more little PJs. The little puppy dog in the PJs. And then the striped blue in the PJs. Oh my gosh. Cathy, all of this stuff is so amazing. I just love the hats you made. And these little items here that you are adding in are perfect. And I just thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Oh, look, I didn't even notice it says MVP right there. MVP. So cute. But thank you so much. I appreciate it. And you know, Cathy too, I know that you've been with me almost since the very beginning of my channel. I still remember seeing your comments, and you comment so much and everything. So beyond just this donation, yeah, you're just you're a very special person. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I appreciate everybody who sends me a little something for the for my mom's foundation, and I promise you she gets every box. She's trying to get thank you cards out to each person, but she has been busy, so she'll get them out just as soon as she can. But I know that she loves each and every one. She's excited when she sees that I bring another box and she looks at them with me. And she's just so appreciative. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you want more information on what we can use for the foundation, look down below to find out more information. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to shoot me an email. That information's down below as well. And I just thank you so much. You guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.